this is it. All right. Inside here is Oakley's one of Oakley's newest models. It's called the Oakley Plantaris. Okay, let's check this out. It comes in a carton box. Okay, two pieces siya. So you have the box here. Tapos ito, this one is parang sleeve niya, natatanggal to. And the frame color is matte sand, and it comes with the prism brown gradient lens. Okay, let's open this up. Now the reason why I was really excited about this model is medyo familiar yung silhouette niya. You'll know what I'm talking about when I open this up. Okay, all right, so it comes with a new version of the Oakley hard case. You have the usuals, the papers, product information. Okay. All right, so this hard case is fairly decent. All right, matigas pa rin siya. It will protect the sunglasses from drops and protect it from ipit pag nilagay mo sa bag. But careful pa rin, may tendency pa rin siyang mag-collapse kasi nga, ano, nape-press siya. All right, so open this up. Okay. Standard Oakley pouch. All right, and okay. Lalabas ko na. Ready na ba kayo? Alright. So this, guys, is the Oakley Plantaris. Oh. Alright. That's the frame. Ayan ang kanyang side profile. Alright. So the product information would tell you that it's a new design, nature-inspired siya. Okay, like bio series, something. It's very evident dito sa earpiece niya. Okay, it resembles parang the legs of a frog. Yun yung sabi nila doon. And coincidentally, frog din kasi yung mascot ni Oakley. The reason why I got excited is, tingnan nyo to. What silhouette does this remind you of? If you're like me, batang 90s, I know you're familiar with the Oakley straight jackets, and then nag-transition yon sa Oakley X Metal. Lumabas yung Romeo, lumabas yung Juliet, lumabas yung 2XS. Kind of reminds you of this, right? Look at the shape. Sa taas. And then sa baba. Alright? Meron lang siyang ito. Parang nose shield. Okay, this is totally removable. All right, the frame, Oakley would call this O-matter. All right, pero you know, it's high grade plastic. Okay, very light, very durable. And tapos ito yung unobtainium na technology nila. Basically, it's rubber na habang nababasa, habang nagpapawis ka, mas kumakapit. Same with the nose bridge. Tapos dito, parang may coating din siya. Alright, like I said, the nose shield is totally removable. Alright, and yung lens niya is brown prism gradient. Now, for those not familiar with Oakley's prism technology, it basically shows you a different spectrum of light when you wear it, resulting to like deeper tones for some colors, richer contrast, and very useful siya when you're doing outdoor sports like golf, skiing, biking, kasi it gives you like a different depth of field kapag nakatingin ka sa terrain. Okay? Like I said, this is removable. Okay, let me show you. Hilahin mo lang siya dyan. Tanggal na. Okay? Now, alright. Pag wala yung nose piece, diba? Kamukhang kamukha siya ng X-Metal. I mean, the profile. Let me put this on. Show you what I'm talking about. Yeah. Diba? Ganda. Mukha siyang Romeo sa upper, tapos yung dito niya reminds you of the Juliet. Alright. Let me put the nose piece back. Okay. So to put the nose shield back, align mo lang siya dito sa gitna, and then you clip it back into place. Yan. Alright. Ayan na siya. Okay? I'll wear it with the nose piece. Okay. Diba? Changes the look of the eyewear. Yeah, I don't know. Initially, when I first saw this sa pictures, I was weirded out by it. Parang sabi ko, bakit kailangan pa nito? Parang ano lang siya, nuisance, kumbaga. But I don't know, when I wore it sa shop nung sinukot ko, parang I've grown to love this part. Diba? Kasi it totally changes the look of the shades. Kinda reminds you of, alam mo yun, parang para siyang maskara, superhero mask. Ayan, imagine, takip siya dito. Ayan, parang superhero mask. Parang pwede mo siyang suotin kapag costume party or masquerades or whatnot. I don't think this serves any function aside from aesthetic siya, di ba? Totally changes the look of it. Ayan. Side profile. Side profile. Sa taas. Fairly big yung size niya. I have a huge face and a big head. So, parang sakto lang sa akin. Hindi siya maliit, hindi siya malaki. So, alright. Again, I got this because I'm a big fan of the Oakley X Metals back in the day. Ang hirap na kumuha nun ngayon kasi ang taas na, diba? I think the Juliets right now, the complete set would cost you around 30,000 pesos. So I think this pair would have the tendency to be the same. Alright? Halos ganito rin nagsimula yung X Metal nun. Parang yung mga tao parang got curious about it kasi nga yung shape, yung material. And from what I heard from Oakley, itong Plantaris is parang limited run lang din. Alright? So, sa mga store, siguro one piece per colorway lang meron sila. Yeah. So, initially ito, yung unang launch nila dito sa Pilipinas, it came in 3 colorway. Yung black metallic with the gray prism lens. Ito, yung sand with the prism brown gradient. And then yung flagship color was parang moss, alright? Matte moss, resembles the color of the frog with the tungsten prism lens. I got this one kasi parang mas flexible yung kulay na itong sand. Alright. I'm gonna be wearing this often, yeah, with a nose piece because I think, I mean, it's really a conversation piece. It's a wow factor of the model, yung nose piece. Maganda siya tanggalin kasi nga mukha siyang X-Metal, mukhang Romeo, mukhang Juliet, but with the nose piece, pretty cool. Alright? So, ayan. This is the Oakley Plantaris. Shout out din sa kaibigan natin na si Trip Negro for the Tondo Cartel shirt. So, ayun. See you guys around. Bye!